Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Spaghetti Squash Alfredo. You've tried low-carb zoodles, now use squiddles for a lighter version of your favorite pasta dish. Even with creamy half and half, shredded mozzarella, and grated parmesan, this meal rings in under 400 calories per serving. Plus, the beta-carotene, potassium, and antioxidants in spaghetti squash will help protect your immune system. Using spaghetti squash in this dish gives you the same luxurious flavor of Alfredo you crave without the carb-heavy pasta. Ingredients: 4 pounds spaghetti squash, 1/4 teaspoons salt, 1/4 teaspoons pepper, 1 c half and half, 3 tablespoon butter, 1 c Parmesan cheese, 4 tablespoons shredded mozzarella cheese. Directions: scoop out and discard seeds from spaghetti squash halves. Prick outsides all over with sharp knife. Season insides with 1/4 teaspoon with each salt and pepper. Microwave. Cut sides down, on large microwave safe plate on high 10 minutes or until tender. Meanwhile, in small saucepan, heat half and half in butter to simmering on medium-low. Simmer 5 minutes, or until reduced slightly, then whisk in finely grated Parmesan cheese. With fork, scrape flesh of each squash half to separate into strands, leaving 1/2 inch border on sides. Divide sauce among halves and top each with 2 tablespoons shredded mozzarella cheese. Broil 1 to 2 minutes or until bubbly and browned in spots. Optional, serve with green salad. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.